Struggling to wrap your head around taxes? We've got you covered. Join our Master Taxation Class for beginners and gain the confidence you need to navigate the world of taxes like a pro. From filing basics and income essentials to deductions, credits, and beyond. This course breaks down complex tax concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, and it's received rave reviews from over 100 students last time. Now, we're ready to do it all again. In this comprehensive class, you'll learn filing requirements, income basics, deductions and credits, interest and dividend income, itemized deductions, retirement contributions and distributions, self-employment income schedules A and C, and an introduction to tax depreciation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your tax knowledge, this is your chance to gain practical skills and confidence. This is open to both individual participants and teams. Classes are starting soon and spots are filling up fast. Click the link to register and join us on this learning journey. Let's make this tax season your best yet.